In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in New Jersey. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire a motorcycle license in New Jersey. I'm gonna go over the requirements and how to go about doing them. So first, complete a motorcycle safety education program known as an MSEP. New Jersey law mandates that all first-time riders complete an MSEP course to obtain Class M motorcycle license. So you will be able to look for a course near you. Just look for MSEP New Jersey on Google and you will be able to go about finding the best course for you. So here's an example, NJ Ride Safe. So you will be able to schedule an appointment and complete any of these courses. Usually you will do the basic rider course. So go over here and make sure that you complete this. The requirements, like I said, are going to be that you need a Class M motorcycle license, and the benefits is that these courses provide essential knowledge and skills for safe motorcycle operation and often waive the written and skills test. Then, next, obtain a motorcycle instruction permit. You will need to be at least 17 years old and pass a written test. To do this, you need to visit your local MVC office. So you can get information regarding motorcycles by going over to the website and searching for a motorcycle here. As you can see, you can access this first page. But after this, you will need to go to a physical location, so keep that in mind. You can follow the instructions, but you won't be able to do it fully online. Then, when you schedule it and you get your motorcycle instruction permit, you will need to bring your completed MSEP certificate and motorcycle instruction permit to an MVC office, pay the required fees, and upon verification of your completion of the MSEP and passing the written test, if applicable, your motorcycle license will be issued. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in New Jersey. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.